Alright guys, just got something in the mail and let's check it out. So this right here is the Glock 17 1/3 scale. So it is the same scale as the GoatGuns rifles. And let's take a look. Look at that. Beautiful. You see, next to the AR, it's the exact same scale. And you can cock it, pull the trigger. I have tiny fingers. Got a magazine. Let's see what else. Has a little keychain attachment and tiny little dummy rounds. All right, let's see. And these things are tiny. Put the rounds in. Put the mag in. I don't know if you can see that detail. It's got all the markings. Glock 17. Austria. Got the Glock symbol there. Got the Glock symbol on the mag. From the looks of it, looks like it breaks down just like the... It looks like it just cycled that round. Look at that. Dope. Anyways, Alloy Empire. Glock's little mini Glock 17 1/3 scale. These are on eBay right now. I guarantee there's not that many of them, so if you want one, I would jump on it real quick. I want to say it was about 30 bucks or so. But anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.